1997, a Scottish fishing vessel, the West Haven, sank with the loss of all 4 crew on board. The cause? Fishing gear snagged under a free-span section of a subsea pipeline. This tragedy highlighted the need to improve practical and coherent information available to fishermen about oil and gas industry surface and subsea infrastructure within the UK continental shelf. To resolve this, representatives of the Scottish Fishermen's Federation, the National Federation of Fishermen's Organisations and Oil and Gas UK worked with the Kingfisher division of the Seafish Industry Authority to develop Kaizax, a product which mapped and presented information about UK oil and gas industry infrastructure in a user-friendly manner. In 2007, the UK Fisheries Offshore Oil and Gas Legacy Trust Fund Limited, or FLTC, was formed, with member shareholders from the Scottish Fishermen's Federation, the National Federation of Fishermen's Organisations and Oil and Gas UK. FLTC is registered in Scotland and has charitable status. Building on their long-standing and close relationship, members are working together in what is believed to be the first company in the world formed to provide in perpetuity information for fishermen about oil and gas structures. FLTC is a company with a long-term perspective, perpetuity. Its primary objective is to enhance the safety of fishermen in UK waters by ensuring the provision of information about oil and gas related surface and seabed structures which might affect their safety. FLTC's secondary objective is to support projects which help preserve the UK fishery or help manage issues relating to oil and gas infrastructure after decommissioning or cessation of activities. FLTC Services Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of its parent company. Working with Kingfisher, SFF, NFFO, Oil and Gas UK and other stakeholders, the company has developed FishSAFE Information as the successor to Kaizax. FishSAFE provides fishermen with digital information about 1,800 pipelines, stretching some 26,000 kilometres, including details of around 200 free-span sections of pipe, 365 safety zones and many more oil and gas-related hazards in the UKCS. The FishSAFE website provides fishermen with a wide range of information on oil and gas-related hazards in UK waters. FLTC Services Limited developed and produced the second version of the FishSAFE unit, an audible and visual alarm device to warn fishermen when their vessel is approaching oil and gas structures and infrastructure. Over 280 of the units have already been supplied. When FLTC was established, its members agreed that it would build an endowment fund to finance its operations in perpetuity. The fund is based on payments from operators who have been granted permission to decommission assets leaving structures in place on the seabed. To date, payments have been received from Total E&P UK Limited, BP and CNR International UK Limited. Other funding has been provided through a loan from Oil and Gas UK, sponsorship from Shell and substantial grants awarded by the Scottish Government and EU through the European Fisheries Fund. The fishing and oil and gas industries are working together to enhance the safety of fishermen today and will continue cooperation to protect future generations. FLTC, helping fishing and oil and gas industries to deliver the future together.